find the least number to be subtracted from some dash to make it a perfect square. अगर हमें ऐसा टाइप प्रॉब्लम आया तो पहले क्वेश्चन लिख लीजिए, ऐसे ही पहले समझिए। आप क्वेश्चन लिखने से भी ज्यादा इंपॉर्टेंट है पहले समझते हैं। अभी क्या फैन चला लेना, मेरे को देख के गर्मी लगते रहता है। हाँ, और बटन प्रेस कर लो। हाँ, समझो पहले क्वेश्चन को। फाइंड द लीस्ट नंबर टू बी सब्ट्रैक्टेड फ्रॉम सम नंबर टू मेक इट अ परफेक्ट स्क्वायर और टू गेट अ परफेक्ट स्क्वायर। ठीक है, ऐसे क्वेश्चन को पढ़ते ही आपका दिमाग पहले क्या सोचना चाहिए? यह सोचना चाहिए कि जो नंबर हमें दिया जाएगा, दैट नंबर विल नॉट बी अ परफेक्ट स्क्वायर, बिकॉज फ्रॉम दिस नंबर some least number has to be subtracted. Are you getting? Say this number is some number, so we will be given a number, and 1 minute, we'll be given a number. 1 minute. And this number, it won't be a perfect square. ये तो आपको क्वेश्चन ही बोल दिया है, because from this number you need to subtract something. So we have to subtract what? Some least number, सबसे छोटा नंबर निकालो इस नंबर से ताकि ये परफेक्ट स्क्वायर बन जाए. Now the number that you get should be a perfect square. Let's say this number was 10. तो 10 से सबसे छोटा क्या सब्ट्रैक्ट करोगे? 1. तो आपको क्या मिल गया? परफेक्ट स्क्वायर मिलेगा. तो एक और बात जो हमें समझ में आता है, अगर हम नंबर लाइन में देखें तो our perfect square which we are trying to hunt is here. But the given number in the question, that number should be somewhere ahead of it. Then only when you subtract, you will come to this. Are you getting it? It will be ahead of it. So the first type of problems that we are doing is number to be subtracted. When we say number to be subtracted, this is the number which will appear in the question. This will be the question wala number. This number will be ahead. After we do this problem, we will get into another problem where find the least number to be added. So question wala number will be here. When you add, you get into the perfect square. Have you understood this basic logic? Okay. So the number that will be given to us won't be the perfect square. So if I'm not the perfect square, I can be either ahead of it or I can be behind it. If the question is for subtraction, then I am ahead of that perfect square. Is that logic understood? So the question में जो number है वो है 18265. 18265 is the number that is given to us, which is not a perfect square, and our job will be what? Our job will be to get the least number which we will subtract from here to make it a perfect square. So what we will do, we will go by our same method. We will treat this as a perfect square and we'll start to do long division. लेकिन प्रॉब्लम क्या होगा पता है? नीचे जीरो नहीं आएगा क्योंकि ये तो परफेक्ट स्क्वायर है नहीं, एक रिमाइंडर आएगा. That remainder is the excess flesh in this body. If you take out that flesh, it becomes model, super model. समझ में आया? Are you getting it? हमको भी जो मॉडल चाहिए उससे थोड़ा मोटू मिलेगा. मोटू में रिमाइंडर घुसा हुआ है, रिमाइंडर काट दो बन जाएगा. चलें शुरू करें. तो हम लोग क्या करेंगे, हमारा सॉल्यूशन इस प्रॉब्लम का ऐसा होगा कि हम इसका स्क्वायर रूट करने की कोशिश करते हैं. 18265. Today I am no more chopping the onions because I think we are advanced users now. So we make pairs, pair, and this. So let's start doing it. How much is it? 1 times 1 goes 1. 82 comes below. 1's double is 2. And then how much? 24 into 4 becomes 96. So 23 into 3. So definitely it becomes 23 into 3. How much is it? 3 2s are 3 3s are 9. 3 2s are 6. How much are you left with? 70, 82. So 13. And 65 comes down. 13's double is 26. अच्छा, यहां से हम कैसे फास्ट करेंगे? Just look. 26 means a very nearby round number can be 250. और आपको कितना जाना है 1365, 250 4 times makes it 1000, 250 5 times will make it 1250. So shall we check 5? But 5 means 265. We'll check 4 first. 264 multiplied by 4. 4 4 16, 1 carry over, 4 6 24 and 1 25, 2 carry over, 4 to 8 9 10. That means 265 तो जाएगा, और 265 करके देख लेते हैं. 265 5 5 5 25, 2 carry over, 5 6 32 32, 3 carry over, 5 2 10 plus 3 13, 1325, very nearby number. So we multiply this with 5 and 5, how much do we get? 1325. अब हमें कितना मिल रहा है? 40. ये 40 जो है ना, ये एडिशनल फ्लैश है. Are you understanding? That means it is like this. See, let's look at the number line now. The question that they gave us was what? 18265. So on this axis we are writing the numbers, and on this axis we are writing the square root of the numbers. Now our perfect square is somewhere here. So this has overshot the perfect square by how much? 40. If you deduct 40 from here, what do you get? 18225. So this difference is 40. Sorry, I'll not write here. So this difference is 40. So I get 18225. And this difference is how much, beta? 40 is the difference. Now, what should be the square root of this? 135. कितना बढ़िया मैथमेटिक्स है, देखो ये समझ में आया ना. 135 should be the square root of this number. What is the next perfect square? Obviously 136. 136 का स्क्वायर बनेगा. 135 का स्क्वायर कितना है? 18225. 136 का स्क्वायर अगला नंबर बनेगा. हमें क्वेश्चन में कौन सा नंबर दिया है? The question that they gave us was this. We treated this like a perfect square and started to do the long division. We ended up with 40 as a remainder. This made our number fat. So once we deducted 40, we arrived at this number, and this number's square root is 135. This is the square root axis, and this is the perfect square. How many of you understood? How many did not understand? Are we clear? And you can check actually इसका square root, इसके जगह में इसको 1825 करके देखो. ये प्रॉब्लम में, for example, if this was 2, then what would have come down? 25 would have come down. And then हम इसको 5 से करते तो ये क्या हो जाता? 0 हो जाता, मैच हो जाता. Clear? So the thing that you need to understand, if you are asked to subtract, that means given number is ahead of the perfect square. Shall we now do one question in which we are supposed to add? Add में थोड़ा सा कॉन्सेप्ट अलग हो जाता है, ठीक है. लीस्ट नंबर. चलें अब एक ऐड वाला क्वेश्चन करते हैं, उसके बाद मिक्सअप क्वेश्चंस करते हैं. You would like to copy? Please copy this, because I want you to understand and do. And don't copy, you write properly. आप लिखिए, the perfect square will be 18225 and its square root will be 135. 18225 is obtained by deducting 40 from the given number. And why did you deduct 40? 40 was the remainder. Yeah, extra flash तो नहीं लिख सकते ना. It was the remainder when we actually tried to perform long division on the given number. So ये लिख लीजिए. Let me drink some water by that time, and then we do our next problem. All of you are preparing for the wonderful ceremony. Very good. अरे वो सब छोड़ दो. स्कूल अभी लाइफ बड़े हो रहे हो. अभी स्कूल में एग्जाम लेगा, घर में एग्जाम लेगा, बाहर लेगा, पेबल सिक्योरिटी में भी एग्जाम हो सकता है. एग्जाम ही एग्जाम. चले अगले टाइप आइए. Our next question. So our next question is find the list number. चलिए फिर से पहले समझते हैं. To be added to blah blah to make it a perfect square. So let's try to understand the problem. Our blah blah number will be here, and it is not a perfect square. That means the perfect square will be lying now here, and you have to add a difference. What is to be added? And this cannot be found out straight away by adding the remainder, क्योंकि रिमाइंडर करने से उल्टा आते हैं. अब इसका ट्रिक देखते हैं, ये प्रॉब्लम कैसे सॉल्व करते हैं. ठीक है ना. तो हमें ये नंबर दिया हुआ है, हमें ये नंबर पे पहुंचना है. तो हमें दो चीज निकालना है यहाँ पे इस क्वेश्चन में. वो हमें दो चीज निकालना है. सबसे पहले हमें ये नंबर निकालना है, कितना ऐड करोगे तब जाके ये निकलेगा. क्लियर? सो टेक्निक विल बी द सेम. व्हाट इज द टेक्निक? द टेक्निक इज फर्स्ट यू टेक द नंबर. सो द नंबर इज 30, 64, 52. 30, 64, 52. इसके साथ हम क्या ऐड करेंगे ताकि हमारा अगला नंबर बने. ठीक है, आइए तो सबसे पहले लॉन्ग डिवीजन परफॉर्म करते हैं 30, 64, 52 के ऊपर. एक बार फिर से क्वेश्चन चेक कर लेता हूं. 30, 64, 52. राइट, चलिए. डेकाथलॉन का टी शर्ट, गैप, पैर, पैर, पैर. तो 5 से कितना हुआ? 25. कितना रहा? 5. 64 नीचे. 5 का डबल कितना हो गया? 10. ठीक है, 10 में तो आपको समझ में आ गया. 100 into 5 is this. 105 से कर ले. 5 5 25. ओके, 5 आ. तो 105 से हमने 5 लिया. कितना आया बेटा? 5 1 जा 5, 5 5 जा 25 एंड 5 1 जा 5. कितना गया? 9. 1 और 2 3 39 और 52 है हमारे पास. 55 का डबल कितना होता है? 110. 110 मतलब 3 से मार के देखें. 3 शुड बी नियरेस्ट 3000. ठीक है ना. तो 3 से करके देखते हैं. यहां 3 लेते हैं. 3 3 जा 9, 3 0 जा 0, 3 1 जा 3, 3 1 जा 3. परफेक्ट. इसको 4 से करेंगे तो आप सोचोगे सर इतना गैप है. 4 से करेंगे तो 4000 में चला जाएगा. Doesn't make any sense. Right. Now here calculating the remainder does not help us in anywhere. Here is where the logic comes. Okay. Here we are not interested in calculating the remainder. Got it? We are not interested in calculating the remainder क्योंकि इसका remainder calculate करके कुछ नहीं होगा. लेकिन कुछ लॉजिक्स हमें समझ में आ रहा है. क्या लॉजिक है देखो तो. Is the given number a perfect square? Is this a perfect square? This is not a perfect square. That we have understood. So what is our number? Our number is 30, 64, 52. We have to arrive at the nearest perfect square. This is our nearest perfect square. That we have understood. This number itself is not the perfect square. Clear? So what is the perfect square that is immediately behind him? वो कौन बताएगा? मैं देखता हूं. That we have already solved. लेकिन what is the perfect square that is immediately behind him? That is there in the board. I want to see whether your head is working or not. What is the perfect square which is just there? I think that number is 553 का square. 553 square. 553 ये पिछला प्रॉब्लम हो गया ना. कुछ एक सब्ट्रैक्ट करने से हम 553 में आएंगे. ये समझ में आ गया. This number is 553 square. We don't know what it is. So the next perfect square should be 554. Very good. So the next perfect square should be 554 square. So this number is less than this. 554 का स्क्वायर हम निकाल ही सकते हैं. आप या तो एडिशनली मल्टीप्लाई करके निकाल लो और उसमें से कितना निकालोगे वो करके देख लो. Another way to do 550, अगर आप वो नहीं करते हो, सुनो अब आपके पास क्या रास्ता है. You need to get this gap. That is the first thing they have asked you. So how do you get the gap? If you are idiot, then you will do it like this. 554 into 554, you will get some big number that you will subtract with this, so you get the gap. Agreed? But there is a different trick to do this also. कैसा ट्रिक है? आप क्या करो, आपने 553 से किया ना, आप इसको 3 की जगह 4 से कर लो. एंड देन ये दोनों नंबर में जो गैप होगा ना, वही वो गैप है. See, have you understood how we got 553? So 553 square is the nearest perfect square. The next perfect square is 554 square. And you need to know how much should be added. So how do you find that how much? You should have this number and you should have this number also. To get this number, one way is the trivial way that you ऐसे कर लो. एक और तरीका है. आप ये मान के चलो ना कि आप यहाँ पे कितने से मल्टीप्लाई किया 553 से. So what I'm saying is that let me copy this whole part. Okay, let me copy this and bring it here. What I'm trying to do now is I am not doing this last wala step. Okay, and I'm keeping it at, this was how much? 1 minute. One minute. How about 1 minute? This was 550, and here how much we had? 55 double is 110, and let me write this properly. 9 and 9 and 6 3, right? Or to kuch nahi tha? 3952. Yeah, fine. So 1 minute. Achha. Right. Now, what did you put here? 553. Instead of 553, now since you have understood that it is 554, we do our iterations deliberately with 4. 4 से करेंगे deliberately. चलो 4 से करते हैं. 4 से करने से कितना आता है देखो तो यहाँ पे 4 4s are 16, 4 1s are 4, and 4 1s are 4. So now you have got two numbers, and your two numbers are how much? 4416, and another number is 39. So the difference between this number and this number will be the number that needs to be added. आप करके देख सकते हो. Yeah. So number to be added now becomes equals to how much? 4416 minus 3952, and this is how much? 4 and 464. So if you add 464 with this number, then you land up at how much? 4 plus 2, 6. 6 plus 5, 11, 1. 1 carry over, 1 and 4, 5. 5 and 4, 9. And 306. If you do 554 into 554 also, you will get the same answer. ये या तो आप ऐसे मेहनत करके निकालिए. तो प्रॉब्लम को फिर से एक बार देखते हैं. जो नंबर आपको दिया, you perform long division, and then you will land up in a remainder वाला case. Once you land up in the remainder वाला case, you actually get the number which is the square root of the preceding perfect square. You get this number. That means one thing that strikes your head is the nearest perfect square will be 1 ahead of this, because this number is lying between this one and this one. Correct? Now we need to know how much do you add. So how do you find how much you add? Since you know it is 554, you do one more iteration. इसको copy करना है सिर्फ, and add it with 4. Now whatever is the difference between these two is the number that you have to actually add to get this value. So what is the new perfect square? The new perfect square is 306916. How did you get it? By adding 464. How did you get 464? By deducting 3952 from 4416. And what is the square root of that number? 554. Have we understood? अच्छा, अब ये क्वेश्चन को हम लोग थोड़ा सा और क्या करेंगे? ट्विस्ट करते हैं, थोड़ा और ट्विस्ट करके खेलते हैं. सबको समझ में आया? Has everyone understood? मिश्का, have you understood or not? ठीक है, इसको थोड़ा सा ट्विस्ट करते हैं. आप क्या करेंगे? अब आपको नंबर नहीं देंगे. Will not give you a number. The number will also be given to you in a cryptic language. And what is the cryptic language? The language is find the least number of 4 digits that is a perfect square. ठीक है, नाउ वी आर डूइंग फाइंड द लीस्ट नंबर ऑफ 4 डिजिट्स दैट इज अ परफेक्ट स्क्वायर। ठीक है, अब इसका ट्रिक समझते हैं। देखो फिर से एक नंबर लाइन लेते हैं। व्हाट इज द लीस्ट नंबर ऑफ 4 डिजिट्स दैट यू नो? लीस्ट नंबर ऑफ 4 डिजिट्स 1000. So our least number of 4 digits is 1000. They have asked us find the least number of 4 digits. Find the least number of 4 digits which is a perfect square. इतना समझ में आया? ये तो पिछला क्वेश्चन जैसा ही है। तो एक तो हो सकता है चेक इफ 1000 is a perfect square. 1000 is never a perfect square. So the least number of 4 digits will be always ahead of 1000. Whatever it is, it will be ahead of 1000. It cannot, it will be 1024. It cannot be here. Have you understood or not? So now, is this question not like the previous question? I'm changing the words now. Find the number to be added to 1000 to make it a perfect square. Question घूम गया, वैसा ही हो गया. You got this number. So what do? We'll start to find the square root of 1000. चलो 1000 के square root को ढूंढने की कोशिश करते हैं. 1000 का स्क्वायर रूट ढूंढते हैं. पेयर लेट्स डू इट. कितना हो गया? 339 100. 3 का डबल कितना है बेटा? 6. तो ये तो सीधा हो जाएगा. 61 1 जा 61. गॉट इट? राइट. that means that the यहां पे हम रूट्स लिख के रखते हैं. रूट्स ऑफ द नंबर. यहां पे कौन है? यहां पे 31 है and this number is 31 square. But 1000 itself is a 4-digit number. This number cannot be 4-digit. It has to be 3-digit. But we have to find the 4-digit number. So our next perfect square will be what? 32 का स्क्वायर बनेगा. सीधी सी बात. ठीक है ना? तो हम क्या करते हैं? इसी को दोबारा कर लेते हैं. 1000 पेयर ये तो कॉपी है. 3 3 9 100 और 3 का डबल कितना है बेटा? 6. इस बार क्या करेंगे? जबरदस्ती 62 से करेंगे. 62 से किया तो कितना आ गया? 2 2 4 and 2 6 12. So what should we do? That number to be added. Number to be added कितना है बेटा? Should be 124 minus 100. That is 24. So we will add 24 here. So this number is 1024. And this is Mishka's favorite number. बड़ा चिल्ला रही थी 1024 1024. This is the number which is the least number of 4 digits that is a perfect square. You understand? Anyone has doubt how we found out? Yadus understood this one? How to find out the least number of 4 digits which is a perfect square. Clear? अगला नंबर देखें. कर लीजिए, इसको लिख लीजिए, कर लीजिए. उसके बाद हम अगला क्वेश्चन देखते हैं. हाँ जी, हाँ ग्रेटेस्ट 5 4 वो सब देखेंगे अभी. ग्रेटेस्ट में तो और भी मजा है. ग्रेटेस्ट इज इजी. विल गो विद द रिमाइंडर मेथड अगेन. ओके, चलें अभी अगला प्रॉब्लम. चलो अगला प्रॉब्लम लेते हैं. And let's say our problem is find the greatest 4-digit number. Find the greatest 4-digit number that is a perfect square. ठीक है? So tell me children, what is the greatest 4-digit number? 9999. तो हम पहले पूछते हैं कैसा? मिकी माउस क्लब हाउस की तरह. मस्का टूल्स सीधा बैठिए अभी क्या सर पे. क्या ये परफेक्ट स्क्वायर है? ये परफेक्ट स्क्वायर नहीं है. तो हमें ढूंढना है 4-digit नंबर जो कि एक परफेक्ट स्क्वायर है. अगर हम आगे जाएंगे तो हम 5 डिजिट पे चले जाएंगे. एलओसी क्रॉस करके हमें गोली मार दिया जाएगा. यानी कि हमारा नंबर तो यहां पे है. और इसको निकालने के लिए मस्का टूल्स लेते हैं. कौन सा? 9999. पेयर बनाते हैं और शुरू करते हैं पेयर की कहानी. कितना लिखे? कितने से जाएगा? कितना हुआ? 8, 18, 99, 9 का डबल होता है 18। 18 को कितना से करेंगे कि ये इसके पास आएगा, पास आना है। हाउ मच, टेल मी। 180 को 9 से देख लेते हैं पहले। 189 इंटू 9, 189 इंटू 9 देख लेते हैं, क्योंकि 189 इंटू 10 इज 1800 ना। सो 9 से करेंगे 9 9 81 1 8 कैरी ओवर 9 8 72 and 8 80 0 8 carry over 9 1 9 plus 8 17. You cannot have bigger than this. ठीक है? So 189 multiplied by 9 is giving you how much? 1701. 8 9. Oof, why is it missing so much? 8 9 198. That means we are short by how much, beta? 198. So our number will be 999, and this number should be what? 99 square. 99 square, because this is 99. So 9999 198. So this is 1 0 and then 9801. Easy. So 9801 is the greatest 4-digit number which is, शेयर समझ में आ रहा है कि नहीं बोलो? Greatest 4 digit. हमें हमेशा एक बेंचमार्क नंबर चाहिए. See, in all these problems you have to find one शर्मा जी का बेटा. हमारा नंबर शर्मा जी के बेटे के आगे हो सकता है या पीछे हो सकता है. पीछे होने से सब्ट्रैक्ट कर दो रिमाइंडर, आगे होने से find the next perfect square and just do it. Can you all do one problem now if I give? Can you try? All of you understood this one? मिश्का मैडम, समझ में आया? क्या हाँ बड़ा मरियल सा हाँ है, जोर से हाँ नहीं सुनाई दे रहा है? हाँ सर। हाँ सर, अच्छा गुड। अच्छा, अब से मैं क्या करूंगा, आपके बुक्स ले जाऊंगा ना, जो कॉपीज आप सबमिट करते हैं ना, जैसे भी मैं आपको एग्जाम देता हूं, सी बिकॉज आई फॉल शॉर्ट ऑफ टाइम, once I have given you a what you call assignment, I will immediately on the day of submission, that the day you submit, I will also upload in soft the whole key of the assignment, means step by step workout. Otherwise I will not get that much time to look into every copy, and at that I don't want to do a dishonest job by just, that is not my cup of tea. So I will upload the entire assignment in proper done method. Check whether your steps, if you don't understand my steps, if you are right, don't be happy about it. Please pay more attention on where you went wrong. That is where we should improve. ठीक है ना? हाँ हाँ, मैं लूंगा, मैं आज इसका अपलोड कर देता हूं आप लोगों को. ठीक है, मैं आज डिस्ट्रीब्यूट कर दूंगा, आप लोग चेक कीजिएगा. बट यू हैव डन, दैट्स अ वेरी गुड थिंग. यादू इज आल्सो सबमिटेड. ओके, नाउ यू ट्राई टू डू greatest number of 5 digits which is a perfect square. Greatest number of 5 digits. So my question now is something like this: find the greatest 5-digit number, 5-digit number that is a perfect square. 5 digit. ठीक है, तो यहां से, yeah, this is a very nice sample problem for you. You can look at this problem and do on your own side. Greatest 5 digit. So what should be your benchmark number? 99,000. Yes, 99,900. Oh, I'm not supposed to do. You will do. I'll not do. 99,999. धीरे 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 धीरे. अभिज्ञा, पीठ सीधा बेटा, पीठ सीधा, नहीं तो आपको चश्मा है ना. I don't want you to be a victim of neck pain and shoulder pain. Body straight हमेशा. Posture is very important. कभी भी शिन लगा के मत बैठिए. Greatest 5 digit means it will be a remainder वाला problem, बच्चा. $99,000. अच्छा, आराम आराम से करो. Yes. 316 is the square root. Our benchmark number is 99999. चल शेष, डर क्या बात है? 5 डिजिट तो थोड़ी डरने का है। आओ करते हैं। करूं? नहीं। अच्छा नहीं, ठीक है, बस इतना बना के रख देता हूं। Greatest of 5 we are doing, na? Least of 4 have we done?
Yeah.
हाँ, now do least of 5. Whoever has done this, he will do least of 5. Means what will be your benchmark number now? 10,000. Very good. From 10,000, we have to. What happened?
Yes.
10,000 is the least number of 5 digit. Which one?
10,000.
So that question is invalid actually. 100 into 100 is 10,000. You need not do. So we'll do. ये वाला हो गया. Just wait, we'll go together. ये क्वेश्चन थोड़ा कर लेते हैं फटाक से. ठीक है, आइए इसके स्क्वायर रूट को सॉल्व करते हैं. कैसे जाएगा? 3 9. Then what comes down? 99. 3's double is 6. 61 1 61. 9 minus 1 8. 3. 31's double 62. 38 से नीचे कितना आएगा? Another 99. Right? Now just think. 6 5s are 30 होता है, means 3000. If this is 600, then with 5 it will make it how much? 6,000. Do you agree? Are we fine? So let us 5 से 6,000 हो जाएगा. 4 से चेक कर लेते हैं एक बार. 624 multiplied by 4. 4 4 16. 4 2 8 and 1 9. 4 6 24. और इससे अगर another, ours is 624, right? Okay, and 625 into 5. 5 5 25. 5 to 30. 5 to 10. 10 plus 2 12 2. 1 carry over. 5 6 30 and 1 31. 3 1 2 5. Oh. 6 से कर सकते हैं. We can go by 6 also. 6 6 is 36. Actually, this was wrong on my part to go with this. So 6 6 is 36. So we can go with 6 also. 6 to 6 into 6. 6 6 36. 3 carry over. 6 to 12 and 3 15 5. 1 6 6 36 and 37. So this is overshooting. No, it's exactly nearby. So 6 to 6 multiplied by 6 gives me how much? 3756. And how much is the difference? 143. So we have to find what? The greatest 5-digit number. That means we are 143. We have gone ahead. So we come back how much? 143. So you should come at what number? 99999. And 143 subtracted. So this is 6. This is 5. This is 8. 99. 856. 856. And the square root should be 316. 316 square is this. Our next problem is find the least number of 6 digits. Least 6-digit number, that is a perfect square. Least 6-digit number.
Sorry, you said least 5 digits.
Least 5 digit itself is a perfect square. Least 5 digit is 10,000. बेटा 100 का स्क्वायर है वो. उसमें प्रॉब्लम करने का कुछ नहीं रहेगा. So we are now finding the least 5-digit number. Sorry, least 6 digit. This was greatest. So our next problem is the least. Least what?
Least 6-digit number.
Least 6-digit number. ये addition वाला केस है. हाँ बेटा. Least 6-digit number means what is the usual least 6-digit number?
1 lakh.
1 lakh. So it is 100,000. अब हमारा नंबर, अब पहले ये चेक करो ये परफेक्ट स्क्वायर है क्या? ये कभी भी परफेक्ट स्क्वायर नहीं होगा क्योंकि इसमें पैर 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 में तो नहीं है, ठीक है ना। So your new perfect square is lying somewhere here. This is the number you have to find. Find. तो हम इसमें कौन सा नंबर निकलेगा बेटू? पहले ये वाला नंबर निकलेगा, ये वाला निकलेगा, ये वाला निकलेगा पहले, इसका नेक्स्ट वाला ये नीचे से निकलेगा। चलिए कीजिए, पहले नीचे से करो, slowly you do and you try to find out what is the least number. आराम आराम से। रेड पेन कम यूज करो बेटू, रेड इज द लीस्ट इंक दैट गेट्स पिक्ड अप विद द आई, ऑलवेज यूज ब्लैक ब्लू. Red is only for important line noting. Least 6 digit.
317 square word.
300.
17 square.
हाँ, पर वो निकालना तो पड़ेगा ना वो नंबर. This is 316 square. That means you got 316. 100,489. Others also check.
Just like the previous.
Yeah, others just check. 100,489 हो रहा है कि नहीं? हो रहा है? कैसे निकाला? जो दोनों के नेक्स्ट वाला नंबर से करके उससे हम निकालते हैं. यस, तो इसको एक बार कर ही देते हैं आपके लिए. ये हो गया पैर, ये हो गया पैर, और ये तो कितना में जाएगा? 3 times is 9, gives you 1 and 100 comes down, and then 3 का डबल कितना है? 6. 61 1 61 कितना हो गया? 39, और यहाँ से 31 का डबल है 62. 39 से कितना आएगा? और 2 zeros नीचे आ गया, तो यहाँ पे हमारा कितना हो गया? 6 से करेंगे तो 6, so 6 6 36. 36 6 3 carry over, 6 to 12 plus 3 15 का 5, 1 carry over, 6 6 36 and 1 37, right? So this is 626. So 316 is what we got here. So we definitely know that the number should be how much? 317. So in our next iteration, what do we do? In our next iteration, we just take off this number and we deliberately do it with how much? 7. So if we do it with 7 and 7, how much do we get? 7 7 49 9, 4 carry over, 7 to 14 plus 4 8, and then 1 carry over, 7 6 42 and 1 43. Therefore, what is the difference? The difference should be equal to how much? 4389 minus 3900. So that's 9 8 and then 4. So 489 is the difference. That means with this number we add another how much? 489. We add 489 and we land up to this number. Clear? Okay. One more. Find the greatest 4 digit we have done, right? Greatest 4 digit number which is a perfect square, we have done that. Find the greatest 3 digit number which is a perfect square. Very easy. Greatest 3 digit. So हम क्या लेंगे? बेंचमार्क क्या होगा? बेंचमार्क will be 999 और हमें पीछे आना है इस बार. वेलकम. Greatest 3 digit. ग्रेटेस्ट बोलने से सब्ट्रैक्शन वाला केस आएगा, लीस्ट बोलने से एडिशन वाला केस आता है.
960.
करो, देखते हैं। और 999 का परफेक्ट स्क्वायर बनाना शुरू करो, लॉन्ग डिवीजन।
61.
961, 960 नहीं होगा, मिश्का चेक कर। हाँ, खरबरी। Advait is drinking water from Mediterranean Sea. How hot is it now, Advait, outside? Morning is 37 degrees. Yeah. Pune, it's raining. We are not, we are overcast and humid. कर लिया बेटो? 999 is your perfect number. 999 कितना होगा? 3 3 9, फिर कितना हुआ? 99 आया, 3 का डबल करेंगे तो कितना? 6, 61, 1, 61, गैप कितने का है? 8, 3, 38। तो 38 घटा दीजिए 99 से, आपको आपका परफेक्ट स्क्वायर मिल जाएगा। हाँ, 999 माइनस 38, तो आ गया आपको 961। ये भी समझ में आ गया। Clear, good. You all have learnt it nicely. Let's take one small, what do you call, word problem. Okay, there's a general in an army, and his soldiers. He wants to arrange his soldiers in a row to form a perfect square. What is a perfect square? A perfect square is, अभी इतना जब आप सीख गए हो तो थोड़ा perfect square का ज्योमेट्री भी समझो। Perfect square क्या है? The perfect square is something like this. This is a perfect square. Clear? The general wants to arrange his soldiers in a row so that it becomes perfect square. So what should the general know? How many soldiers in a row and what is the number of rows? ठीक है ना? तो कहता है, he finds that in doing so 60 soldiers are left out. When he arranged them in a perfect square, 60 soldiers got left out. That means what is that 60? That 60 is the remainder actually. Yes or no? Question घुमा के पूछ रहा है आपको. So we have, the question is something like this, children. We have a general. So there is a general, and the general has got what? The general has got soldiers. These are the soldiers, and these soldiers are to be arranged in a perfect square. He arranged them. That means there are some number of soldiers. So let us say, if you have, say, blah 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 blah, and let's say there are X number of soldiers per row, and if it is a perfect square, then how many number of rows should be? X rows. X rows. X soldiers per row into X rows. And in doing so, he found that 60 soldiers are left out, and the total number of soldiers are how much? 8160. His total number of soldiers are how much? 8160. So इसमें से 60 soldiers को पहले get out कर दो, कितना हो गया? 8100. This 8100 are actually inside here, which is nothing but 9 9s are 81. 90 soldiers are here. So they're asking you, what is the configuration of this arrangement? So you should just solve the square root of 81. Square root of 81 is how much? 90. That means this general is having 90 soldiers per row, and there are 90 rows. This way the general has been able to settle how many soldiers? 8100 soldiers. And that's why, like you lazy guys, the 60s are enjoying the sunshade. Have you understood this problem? So let's look at the problem once again. It says a general arranges his soldiers in rows to form a perfect square. He finds that 60 soldiers are left out. If his total count of soldiers were 8160, so how do we write total number of soldiers? 8160. Number of soldiers left out? 60. Total number of soldiers who form the perfect square? 8100. Now number of soldiers per row or number of rows is will be square root of 8100. To solve 8100 square root, will you do it with a long division method? I think you will be an idiot. You should straight away say 8100 square root is 90, because 81 square root is how much? 900. एक और देखें ऐसा प्रॉब्लम, It's like this. See, find the smallest number that must be added to 2300 so that it becomes a perfect square. Now here the benchmark number is given to you. Find the smallest number that must be added to 2300. That means it will be again पहले पिछले का perfect square निकालो, फिर आगे का perfect square निकालो. Find the smallest number that must be added to 2300 to make it a perfect square.
Smallest number to be added?
2300. Yeah, smallest number which should be added to 2300 to make it a perfect square. Find the smallest number that must be added to क्या हो गया? ये तो आसान प्रॉब्लम है, इतना टाइम लग रहा है. 2300. This is 2300. You have to know this number so that you get your perfect square. 0 है करके गड़बड़ हो गया क्या? आओ एक साथ करते हैं. कितना से जाएगा? 4 4 16. 16 plus 6 is 22, 7. And 0 comes. 4's double is how much? 8. 80. If you take it 80, 80 into 10 should be how much? 800. 80 into 9 is 720. That means let's try 88 into 8. 8 8 64, 6 carry over. 8 8 64 plus 6 70. ये भी overshoot हो गया. So we should try
87.
87 7. So 7 7 49 9 4 carry over. 7 8 56. 56 plus 4 60. Okay, this is not our importance. This is important for us. That means this number is how much? This number is the nearest perfect square is 47 square. So our perfect square is ये क्या होगा? 48 का square. तो अब हम क्या करेंगे? अब हम 48 का square. तो अब हम next वाला we will just take it with 8, right? We will now multiply this with 8 and 8 will end up where? 704. That means 4 is the difference. 704 minus 700. That is 4 is the difference. So we add 4, we get 2304. This is the perfect square. Clear? So I have taught you enough. Open your RS. There's no more to do from R.D. Sharma. R.S. Agarwal 3E. Children, just open 3E. Okay. Achha, any problem in the homework which you could not do, or you had a problem in any particular question? Yeah. Then we'll. एक मिनट. Yeah. Not linear equations. Exponent. Which is your copy? This one. So wait. I'm saying, listen to me first. We have around 15 minutes odd time with us. Our homework means you need to complete 3E from your R.S. Agarwal. Then this chapter is over. Next class, we are no more doing squares and square root. We'll move to cube and cube roots. Okay. So 3E is what you will do. And you can start doing it from now. If you had any problem in the exponents worksheet, although today I will upload the entire key of the exponents worksheet, right? You can check it. So I'll return your copies. If there is a question with the exponents worksheet, you can please ask me now. I can solve that also for you. Tell me, you had a problem, right? what is your name? Sarvesh, tell me which question you had a problem. Exponents worksheet. Hey, aram se. Any question that you had a problem in the exponents worksheet, you are most free to ask. Tell me. You did not come. I will do it on the board. That's why I said. Express. Because you go and sit, keep your copy with you. Unnecessarily, you will injure yourself. I'll do it. There is no shame or nothing. If there is a doubt, I'm here to teach you only. Tell me your question. Express
4
4.
to the power minus 3
Okay.
as a power with base 2.
As a power with with base 2. Okay. Try to understand the problem. Our problem is given as 4 to the power minus 3. Can you tell me what is the base here? Our base is what? Our base is 4. What is the question telling us? Write it in whatever number we don't know. The new base should be how much? 2. 2. See, because what happens, no. It's not about you solved it. You only solved it. I have not yet touched the board. I'm not interested in your solving. I want to know from you, what did I do here that made the answer come out in 1 second from your mouth, which did not come in your house? You know where the gap lies. The gap is not in mathematics. Again, I say the gap is in English. You did not do, what y'all don't do by reading it. Have I solved the problem till now? No. Have you told me the answer? Yes. Now you understand why I stress so much on English and the ability to learn, understand the question. So I've written it in 2. My job would be 2 में लिखा है ना, तो 4 बनाने के लिए स्क्वायर कर दे और -3 तो एक रहना ही चाहिए. So our number is what? You only tell me. My number is now 2 to the power. Is it a number with base 2? Problem solved. खुद ही बोला, देखो मेरे को करने की भी जरूरत नहीं. अच्छा, नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन बोलो. Any other question in the homework? Exponents which you think you struggled. Shreyas? और तो किया नहीं है. आना है? Any question in the exponents worksheet? Mishka देख, any question in the exponent worksheet? ये Ekaks, that worksheet is uploaded on Teams. You can see that. Yadu, any question on the exponent worksheet?
No, sir.
हाँ, बोलो क्वेश्चन बोलो, मैं करूंगा ना.
1
ओके, इसको ये साइड में करता हूं, ठीक है. 3 to the power -1
into 1 into 9
-1, both are in brackets,
into 1 by 3 to the power
1/3 whole thing to the power -2. आसान स्टेप से करेंगे. तो ससुरा उल्टा दो, इसको भी उल्टा दो, ये ससुरा उलट के आएगा, इसका हो जाएगा 2. समझ में आया? 3 का स्क्वायर बोले तो 3 का स्क्वायर 1 मैंने नहीं लिखा, 1/9 और यहाँ है 1/3. 9 और 3 का स्क्वायर एक ही चीज होता है, इसीलिए आंसर आता है 1/3. समझ में आया? अभी क्या ठीक है ना? 3 to the power -1 is 1/3, 9 to the power -1 is 1/9, 1/3 to the power -2 को उल्टा दिया तो 3/1 to the power 2, तो कितना हो गया? 3 स्क्वायर. जैसे तो 3 स्क्वायर और 9 एक ही चीज है ना. यहां पे लिखा है श्रेयस दुबे, यहां पे लिखा है बदमाश स्क्वायर, दोनों एक ही है, वही तो है. काट लो दोनों को. 1/3. एनी अदर क्वेश्चन? कोई भी डाउट है आप पूछ सकते हैं, नहीं तो आप 3E कीजिए नोटबुक में, और यू आर डन विथ पेजेस. ठीक है. सो एनीवेज यू कैन चेक फॉर एनी क्वेश्चन ऑन दैट एक्सपोनेंट्स. कुछ नहीं है आना? एनी क्वेश्चन? नो क्वेश्चन? एकाक्ष बाबू, अभी क्लास आपको ठीक समझ में आ रहा है तो द पेस इज ओके फॉर यू, राइट? और आई एम दौड़िंग,
No, sir.
आई एम वॉकिंग,
Yes.
तो आई एम पैदल चलिंग. मिश्का इज नॉट पैदल चलिंग बिकॉज शी इज टांग तोड़िंग। क्या मिश्का अभी धीरे से बेड रिडन ही रहती है सारा दिन? तो कहाँ बेड पे रहेगी, 100% नीचे उतरती है।
थोड़ा तो घूमना पड़ेगा ना।
हाँ, अभी दर्द होता है बेटो?
तो सारे मेडिकेशन जो पेन किलर से खत्म करते हैं।
अभी दवाई कुछ ले रहे हो? नहीं ना?
हाँ, उसमें ले रही हूँ।
अभी कोई पेन किलर चल रहा है क्या आपको? आई थिंक नो। तुम्हारा चेहरा ही बताता है तुम्हारा पेन। लेग इंजरी, तुम्हारा चेहरा ही बताता है तुम्हारा दर्द खत्म हो चुका है। यू आर फिट टू गो, बर्ड इज रेडी टू है। और इशारों में एक बात बोल रहा हूं, इस समझदारों के लिए इशारा काफी है। जो कांड करने से हमें हानि या क्षति पहुंचती है, हमें वो कांड नहीं करना चाहिए। वो कांड क्या है वो मैंने कुछ नहीं बोला, खाली मैंने बोला आगे से हमें जिंदगी में सावधानी बरतनी चाहिए, है ना? हाँ, बस और कुछ नहीं, सावधानी बरतना चाहिए। गिर तो मैं भी सकता हूं बेटा कल यहाँ से आते वक्त, लेकिन गिरने लायक काम करके गिरा तो बेवकूफी है ना। अब आपका स्कूल भी शुरू हो रहा है, देखो तो आप स्कूल नहीं जा पा रहे हो कितना। हाँ, और बस में सारे बच्चे शैतानी करेंगे।
डॉक्टर ने कहा है 3 हफ्ते बेड रेस्ट।
बस डॉक्टर को बोलिए आपको वीडियो गेम ला के दे दे।
करती जैसे आदमी।
क्या हो गया, पेज खत्म हो गया? अच्छा चलिए फिर, वी आर ऑलमोस्ट टाइम, सो वी आर वाइंडिंग अप टुडे। व्हाट आर द एक्शन पॉइंट्स? 1 मिनट प्लीज राइट डाउन, प्लीज राइट डाउन ऑन योर कॉपी। अलग से लिखो, वहां छुप जाएगा। No, none of you have deposited your test copy. That means your next class is tomorrow. Tomorrow, please bring your test copy and keep here. In that case, you will not forget. So write test copy. And your test copy can be that size copy also, which you are using. हाँ ऐसा, हाँ एक्स्ट्रा है तो कोई भी कॉपी जो अनयूज्ड है, मतलब पेज बर्बाद मत करो घर पे। तो लिखिए सबसे पहले टेस्ट एंड अनय, don't go and buy one new big book like that. Money doesn't come in trees. If there are unused book, use them. Economization, ठीक है? Submit test copies tomorrow. Number 1. Number 2, complete 3E. Complete 3E. And number 3 will be self-check exponents with sir's key. Sir will give a key. Sir will upload the key. Where will sir upload the key? On Teams. And there you will go and check your exponents worksheet. If you have done something correct, don't give one like that. I'm not interested. Though I'm very happy that my children have done it correctly. I'm more interested if you have done something wrong and you have taken the corrective step. And the 4th point is only for Mr. Shreyash Dubey, that you first do the exponent sheet. Otherwise, what will you cross check? है ना? तेरे को मैं अपने घर में बिठा लेता हूं, तू मेरे साथ करता रहे और मैं की बनाता रहता हूं, है ना? ठीक है, आज का रंगारंग कार्यक्रम यहाँ समाप्त होता है। क्या हुआ एकाक्ष, आज घर में टॉनिक गिरा है क्या आपको? आप बड़े चुपचाप कैसे मायूस सैड हो आज? Why there is less of watchman in your apartment complex that you are sleeping?
I have to complete my project.
अच्छा, project. He is completing project. 2, good morning. 2 2 तक क्या करते हो, कैसे जागते हो? ओ बाप रे। तो अभी अभी क्या है, मेरे को लगा शायद श्रेयस को आज टॉनिक मिला है मम्मी से, शायद। श्रेयस टॉनिक मिलता है कि नहीं आपको? श्रेयस नहीं, एकाक्ष, एकाक्ष आपको टॉनिक मिलता है क्या? कौन देता है, फादर टॉनिक या मदर टॉनिक? मिक्स टॉनिक। अभी आज टॉनिक गिरा लगता है मेरे को इसको, इसीलिए इसका मुंह ऐसा है। Who all gets tonic little bit? Tonic you know? You तो 100% टॉनिक तुमको हाँ, हर दिन अनय का टॉनिक लगता है। टॉनिक समझा दो इसको क्या है। हाँ, तुमको तो 100%, तुमको तो टॉनिक का पूरा बॉटल देना चाहिए। अच्छा, यादू यू गेट टॉनिक और कैप्सूल? Oh, you don't know what is tonic? You know, when I go for haircut, then the barber keeps on telling me, sir, ये वाले बाल ना आपके बैठ नहीं रहे हैं, कोशिश करता है। तो I tell him ये कभी बैठेंगे नहीं। 21 years this has been my mother's radar control unit. तो अभी वो कहां से बैठेगा, अभी भी नहीं बैठता है। That is tonic. Now you understand what is tonic?
Yes.
Yes. Or are you getting capsules also?
No. Yes, if I don't listen, I get ready.
अच्छा, good.